morning, students. This is class 5, term 3, unit 2, supplementary. Can anyone tell me how many of you love to travel various places? Good. Even I too have a dream to travel various places. Can anyone tell me what will happen when we go to an unknown place? Yeah, when we go to an unknown place, we can't able to understand a language to buy something or to visit some places. Today we are going to see term 3 unit 2 supplementary the new start. The new start means the new beginning. This story is about a boy, Tenzin, and his experience. Before we start, I am going to introduce you the characters in the story. Tenzin, Mother, Julie, Malliga, Nimmi, and Charles. So, listen carefully and take a note of it. If you have any doubts, I will clarify it on a day of reopening. New start. This is a story about a boy, Tenzin, and his experience in his journal. Let's see about his experience. This is the picture in map of Tibet. Tenzin has visited various places in his experience. Students, let's see about Tenzin visited various places during his experience in his journal. He was from Tibet. Then he first migrated to Himachal Pradesh in India. He lived in a refugee camp in India where he learned a few words in English, and then he moved to Karnataka. Tenzin and his family first lived in McLeod and then he moved to Mysore. And from Mysore they moved to Gurapura and then to Koligal. Children, can anyone tell me what is meant by migration? Migration is something person moving from their place home due to forced displacement. They carry all the things with them. They won't see the pain in the legs. They will travel wholeheartedly with full of inner strength. Some people took rest near the groves. They even walked in water with lots of weights in their hands. They started protesting for their rights. Even small children traveled with them by carrying heavy loads. They even walked in water with lots of weights in their hands. They started protesting for their rights. Even small children travel with them by carrying heavy loads. Human migration involves the movement of people from one place to another with intention of settling permanently or temporarily. They migrate as individuals, units, or as a large groups. They don't have any work or employment. They also don't have any money, so they will travel in a boat. They won't come in proper way. On the way, lot of people died while traveling. In the beginning, they can't understand the language. They can't able to shop because it was the most difficult job for them. Because they doesn't know the language. They even doesn't know the names of the items which they wanted to buy. Shopping for food was the most difficult job for them. Then they asked the refugee relief group to help them. They arranged a new house for them and they showed where to buy what we needed. Refugee relief group helped them with proper food and shelter. They even teach the poor students who doesn't know the language and also the art and craft. Tenzin misses his friends in Tibet. He started going to school, but he misses his friends in Tibet. Tenzin started going to school. He would cry every day after he returned from school. often thought of his friends in Tibet. He wanted to go back to his school and to be with his friends. He literally cried a lot. Every year, Tenzin need to go to the government office to get the book signed. His mother scolds him not getting signed because if he not getting signed, they will leave India too. Now, Tenzin have made friends here. That is, Julie is art and craft teacher. She is a very nice person. She helps me to learn new things. Mallika is also a wonderful teacher. She teaches computers. He also have a friend named Binza. She is from Nepal. She did not know English either when she came here. Now we learn and practice English together. There is a girl called Nimi who fights with everyone and teases everyone. And he does not forget to mention Charles, who taught him how to play baseball. Tenzin often wondered how it would be if he had lived in the same place all his life. He misses his home in Tibet. But that does not mean that he is not grateful in India, its people and government. While many people are his friends, still there are not still many who look at us as though they are aliens. Sometimes he wants to tell them that they are humans too. They live on earth too, just a different part of earth. Tenzin history teacher explains that it is the people who made the boundaries of the countries. They draw the lines before, now we are drawing the lines now. So the teacher tells us to continue to draw new lines. At last, Tenzin says, "Come, join me on this journey to make this world better, a safer place, a happier place, a place with no boundaries." Okay, children, now let's go to the meanings in this lesson. Refugee, a person who is forced and sent out of his country. Refugee, a person who is forced and sent out of his country. Migrator, to go from one country, region or place to another. Migrator, to go from one country, region or place to another. Grateful, thankful. Grateful, thankful. Boundaries, dividing line. Boundaries, dividing line. So, students, next we go on to the fill in the blanks. So, listen properly and take notes. Tenzin is from Dash. Tenzin is from Tibet. Tenzin family first live in Dash. Tenzin family first live in Himachal Pradesh. If we do not have boundaries, we do not need Dash. If we didn't have boundaries, we do not need weapons. Dash fights with everyone in school. Nimi fights everyone in school. Miss Mallika teaches Dash. Miss Mallika teaches computer. Let's go. Okay, students. Now let's see the question and answer. First question. Who helped Tenzin in learning English words? Who helped Tenzin in learning English words? Answer. Julie, the art and craft teacher, taught Tenzin in learning English words. Julie, the art and craft teacher, taught Tenzin in learning English words. Name the places that Tenzin lived in. Tenzin lived in Tibet, McLeod-Ganj, Himachal Pradesh, Gurupura, Mysore and Kollegal in Karnataka. Tenzin lived in Tibet, McLeod-Ganj, Himachal Pradesh, Gurupura, Mysore and Kollegal in Karnataka. Third question, what are the difficulties they faced in India? Answer, they did not know how to get a house. They did not know the names of the food items which they wanted to buy. They did not know how to get a house, and they did not know the names of the food items which they wanted to buy. Fourth question, why did Tenzin cried every day? Tenzin cried every day because he badly misses his friends and his country. Why did Tenzin cried every day? Tenzin cried every day because he badly misses his friends and his country. At last question, why it's important for people to live without boundaries? Answer, we all are humans. To live together on earth, we need to share and grow with each other. So, it is important for the people to live without boundaries. We all are humans and live together on earth. We need to share and grow with each other. So, it is important to live without boundaries. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson, a new start. Now, let's see the evaluation. Who is the main character in the story? Name the characters involved in the story. What is the character of Nimmi, with whom Tenzin learnt baseball? Why are the people traveling from one place to another? Which are the teachers liked by Tenzin? Okay, students, take these questions and find out the answers and write in your notebook.